Yo, what is up guys? In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to create your own shop on Etsy. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to smash that like button, and without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, so here we are at Etsy because we are going to sign up your account. So let's say for me, I have already logged in my account. So if you guys have your own email, make sure to sign up or log in. So what do you have to do to create your own shop to sell your digital art? What you have to do is just press the button right here, sell on Etsy, and then they will give us this page right here. Millions of shoppers can't wait to see what you have in store, so just press get started, and then they will give you a welcome Irie. We are so excited to help you bring your shop to life, and yada yada. Just press let's do this, and then what brings you to Etsy? I'm just starting to sell for the first time ever. Okay, you guys can read it, and depend on you guys want to start it your first time starting selling on Etsy or anything. So we are just going to press I'm just starting to sell for the first time ever. So I'm just going to press next, and then is there anything you like to help with? So basically you guys can choose all of these criteria, any of these criteria that is suitable for you guys. You guys want to help on what to sell or anything, but for me, I just keep this question because it doesn't matter for me. Okay, now time for the fun part, and just press start your shop, and then they will give us this page right here. Now it is time to put in your details. So the shop language, okay, just choose English. If you guys want to choose any other language, you guys can go on. So shop country, okay, this is important because you want to decide what country do you guys want to sell your product. So basically for me, even though I live in Malaysia, I like for my target audience to be in Europe or also in United States. So I'm just going to choose United States. And also the shop currency, because we are choosing United States, I also going to choose United States dollar. As simple as that, and just press save and continue. And then now it is time for the most important part, which is naming your shop. But don't worry for now, if you guys can't decide, you guys can put any name, okay, because later you can change your shop name. So I'm just going to put Irie Etsy for now, and we're going to proceed. Okay, we can always change the name of the shop later. Now you guys have created your own shop. It's just as simple as that, and now it is time to create your own listing. This is the first listing that you guys gonna create. So first of all, your listing, we are going to upload your photos, and you guys can see here there's primary photo, every angle, yada yada yada. You guys don't have to follow all of this. Etsy is just showing you an example what type of photo you guys can upload. So I'm just going to upload as a reference for you guys. So an example here, I show you where is it. Okay, Etsy, and I'm going to choose my web file. Okay, so I'm going to upload 3 of these photos here. All right, and here we are guys. This is the image that I'm talking about. I've uploaded around 3 images. You guys can upload more, but I'm just showing an example. So the first image that I have uploaded is the thumbnail of the product. So an example here, this is my thumbnail, White Roses watercolor design. And also my second picture is this. And also this is my second picture, is the details of the products that I'm selling. I got around 16 clip arts with transparent background. And this is my third picture, which is like what we call it, an attention for the customer when they buy. I'm just showing that the license that you can use from my pictures. So I show you another example from other shops. So let's see as an example here, Lilac Bouquets. You guys can also take some inspiration from other people. Okay, they have uploaded around, there's so many pictures, around 6 pictures. As an example, this is their thumbnail, and this is the detail of their product, so people know what they will get from buying their product. And also this is an example, the what we call it, the image that you guys can use to make a wedding invitation card or something like that. And also the last, buy 2 get 20% off. So this is like a promotion. And also you guys can upload a video, so you guys can use, you guys can what we call it, follow other people's shop. But for now, I'm just showing an example. This is all of my 3 pictures that I've uploaded. Okay, so first of all, I'm just going to drag this because I want this to be the thumbnail, and then the details of the picture I want to be in the second. You guys can just drag and drop, and then you can adjust the thumbnail. Okay, make sure that it fits perfectly. You guys can also zoom in or zoom out. I think this is perfect, so just press save. And just like that, you guys have completed uploading your photos. So into the next part, which is the video. If you guys have the video of your product, you guys can also upload it, but for me, I don't have a video, so I'm just going to skip this for now. And now it is time for the listing details, which is the info about your listing. Okay, what you guys sell. So people, basically, I've seen so many YouTube videos, they said that it's better if you guys include many of your search term, SEO, as an example. If you guys can see here, the product that we just saw, the lilac thingy here, so their title product is something like this, so long: watercolor lilac floral clip art PNG, purple flower PNG, lilac bouquet, lilac flowers. So basically they put so many things in the titles, okay, so that people, when they search, there's a high chance that their product will come out in their search engine. All right, so I will show you an example that what will I put in my title. And here we are, the title that I've put. So basically the product that I'm selling is what we call it, a clip art of a white roses. So I put watercolor white roses floral clip art, and also white rose PNG, or rose bouquet, or rose flower PNG watercolor. So I'm trying to tackle any types of word that maybe people will type in the search bar. Okay, so that's basically it for the title and about this listing. All right, so who made it? I'm going to put I did, because literally I did the product, because I using what we call it, Midjourney AI. And then what is it? A finished product. When did you make it? Recently. Okay, we're done. So the category, I usually, for my digital art, I just put digital, say, and then they will give us what we call it, a list of things that you guys can put. So this is an example: art collection, prints and digital prints. So you guys can just search any of this category, and you guys can choose accordingly that is most suitable for your product. But I'm just going to use digital prints. So yeah, this is it. So primary color is optional. If you guys want to choose the colors, you guys can choose, but for me, I just have one color. I'm just going to choose white. Where is it? BOPQ white. Okay, you guys can also choose the secondary color, and doesn't matter if you guys don't want to put in, you guys can just leave it as it is. And also the size of the image, white, and height. Okay, you guys can choose the details, but for me, I usually just left it as it is. And also all of this, I'm just going to leave it. Okay, you guys can also put the room subject or anything. I literally just left as it is. And also the renewal option, I choose it as automatic. Okay, when the listing expired, it will automatically renew. Okay, but it will cost you around 20 USD. You guys can also choose manual, but I prefer choosing it by automatic. So the type, physical or digital, well, it's obvious we are going to use digital because we are selling a digital product. For the description, okay, I'm not telling you guys to copy other people, just take some inspiration. Okay, as an example, again, this thing, you know what, let's change other shop. Okay, so you guys can also check their description, what they put in their description. First of all, what they put is they put any terms that related to their product, so there's a high chance that people will search on the search bar on top right here, so that our product can come out on the first page. Okay, and also people will put the info of the product, which is high resolution, what type of product, detail of how many product there is, how many pixel, is the quality good, you have to unzip, and so many more. And so you guys can put the details that you guys, if you want to download, put in the Google Drive and such. The use, the license use, when people buy it, can they use it as it is, or they have to change it a little bit, and so on, so on. You guys can also put that info. So this is an example here, this product term of use. Personal use or non-product use, can use my product without modifying it. Okay, So you guys can take some inspiration from other people's shop and just make sure do not copy as it is. You guys have to change it a little bit and maybe change it that it is suitable for your style. And this is it, guys, the details that I've put for my description. So you guys can see the first one I put what we called it, terms that are related to my product, and the second part I'm just saying thank you to the customer for buying from my shop. And also I put some info, I sell all digital files, and also the what do you get when you buy my product. And also I put some notes, and also the end of the description I also put another things related to my product. So that's basically it. So I'm just going to skip through the section and the text. Okay, this tag you guys can put something also related to your product. So an example, I'm just going to put white rose, white flower, yada yada, until you get around 13 tags. That's basically it. So the materials you guys can also put, but I just left as it is because it's optional. And the price you guys can put in your price. Just make sure you guys compare to other shop what the price did they sell, something related to your product. But for me, I'm just going to put a $3 and the quantity, because for digital product basically they don't have any stock. So I'm just going to put the maximum maybe around 200 or 99, and that's basically it. SKU you guys can also put it. I'm just going to skip. And the digital files, I'm just going to put the PDF for my link, so that people when they buy, they get this PDF file, they can open the PDF file and they have access to the links. So when they have access to the link, they can click on it and they will have access to my Google Drive so that they can download the images. Okay, when you're done, what you have to do is just press a save and continue. Okay, so they will give us a great job on your first listing, and the right part they will show you an example, the thumbnail of your product, the price and everything. So let's just you guys can also add more listing, the second or third part of your products, but let's just choose to do this later because we are going to proceed on how you will get paid. Okay, now you guys can choose where is your bank located. Okay, so for me, my banks, I have two banks, which is in Malaysia and also in United States. But for this video, I'm just going to choose United States. Oh, sorry, not United Kingdom, United States. And then for tax purposes, what type seller are you? For me, I am individual. Tell us a little bit of yourself. So you guys have to put the details, your country, your name, yada yada yada, and then your taxpayer address. Okay. And after all of those are done, the details you guys have put. Now your bank information, you just have to connect you just have to connect your Etsy account with your bank details. Okay. And last but not least is the part which is we have to set up billing. Okay, because when you guys list your products, you guys have to pay some fees to Etsy. So just put on your details, card details and everything, the billing address, and then after all of those are done, what you guys have to do is just open your shop, and that's basically it. If you guys like this video, please make sure to smash that like button, and if you want to see more, please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, see ya.